In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Soul Flame here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to go ahead and get the Soul Flame itself. This is actually accessible by defeating the Soul Reaper boss on Boss Island. So go ahead and make your way over to Boss Island, find the little boss summoner, interact with this guy just like so, and you're going to see the Soul Reaper boss right here. You could just auto spawn it, but as you can see, if you spawn it in, the Soul Flame is the rarest drop that you can get with a drop chance of about 4.17%. Go ahead and just farm this guy until you go ahead and get the Soul Flame. I wonder if I'll get it right here. No, I got some hollow mask instead, but essentially go ahead and get it. Once you do, go ahead and have 2 of those soul flames. You need to go to the Soul Flame NPC here on this exact same island. But you'll probably notice that he doesn't actually spawn on the island. What you need to do is go over to the teleporter instead, interact with the teleporter, go to Hollow Island, and once you're at Hollow Island, just go across the right side of the island itself, and you're going to see the NPC right here. You need a few of those, specifically 2, and once you do it, you'll be good to go. I actually already have it, so I don't have to do it anymore. But that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.